my name is Mimi. Doll, dolls, ball, balls, car, cars, kite, kites. How many dolls? One doll, two dolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many kites? One kite. How many cars? Two cars. How many dolls? Three dolls. How many balls? Four balls. Start. 3 dolls. 1 kite. 5 cars. 3 kite. 1 ball. 1 doll. 11 ball. 1 car. How many kites? 3 kites. Look around your classroom. How many desks? I paint, I eat, I swim, I skate, I run, I read, I sleep. I like pizza, I like apples, I like bananas, I like carrots, I like eggs, I like cookies, I like cake. Goodbye, teacher.